friendly farm, the friendly farm. Fun and games on the friendly farm. With the animals in the barn. Fun and games on the friendly farm. I've got 4 oranges here. Nice.
Do you like the green hat or the red one?
Shelley, that's Grandpa's new hat.
Let's go and play in the barn.
It's Jim and Jenny.
Psst! Gracie, eat your oranges. No! Okay.
Shelley, come here and pick up these clothes, please. Now clean the table, Gracie. It's dirty. And clean your face, please. Harry! Put that hat on the table now. Rocky, take those pencils and put them in the bag.
Okay, Mom.
Look at the barn. It's nice and clean. Look, Grandpa's hat's there. On the table? In the barn?